Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of November. And first of all, national news. Prior sanction required for case against hate speech. Court said. In 5 Bihar villages, special zone aimed at reducing human-animal conflicts. CBI to probe constable exam paper leak in Himachal Pradesh. We are proud of our rich maritime history, PM Modi wished on Navy Day. Tamasha bana diya, High Court slammed Bihar police for bulldozer action. Congress plenary session to be held in Raipur in second half of February 2023. Center planned oversight of all real money online games, a report said. Forced to resign over ABVP protest, Indore Law College principal. 69% of Jharkhand's forest areas unfit for plant growth, a report said. Roaming for 2 hours, Delhi voters return after not finding poll booth. Indian Navy discovered 5 cannons, likely from World War I near Kolkata River. All-party meeting on December 5 to finalize strategies for G20 summit. Now, international news. Over 500 localities without power. Ukraine. China's Shanghai eased some COVID curbs after protest. Elon Musk replied to Biden's big move on electric vehicles. France, Japan, Australia congratulated PM Modi on G20 presidency. Indonesia raised alert, evacuate residents after volcano erupt. Ukraine slapped pro-Russia church clerics with sanctions, a report said. Vladimir Putin not sincere about peace talks. US diplomat will not accept this. Russia rejected G7's oil price cap. TikTok can be used for espionage operations, FBI Director Christopher Wray said. And now some sports news. Lionel Messi scored first ever World Cup knockout goal as Argentina beat Australia 2-1 to enter quarterfinals. India go down 4-5 to Australia in 5th hockey test, lost series 1-4. Mirabai, Indian lifters began quest for Olympic qualification with World Championships. Unnati became first Indian to enter under 17 women's singles final of Badminton Asia Junior Championships. Now business related news. Adani Group's NDTV open offer subscribed 32%, poised to be largest shareholder. Private security industry demanded hike in FDI limit to 74 PC. Government to tighten scrutiny of imports sets up 4-5 task forces to boost telecom manufacturing. OYO to downsize 3,700 employee base, cut 600 jobs. And that's all in news. Thank you.